primary cause of conflict between China and India is the long-standing border dispute over several regions. This dispute stems from historical border demarcations, particularly those made during the British colonial era, which are not recognized by China. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects. Disputed territories. The main areas of contention are Aksai Chin, a region administered by China but claimed by India as part of Ladakh. This area is strategically important for China as it contains a road linking Tibet and Xinjiang. Arunachal Pradesh, claimed by China as part of southern Tibet and referred to as Zhangnan. India considers this an integral part of its territory. The McMahon Line India recognizes the McMahon Line as the boundary in the eastern sector, a line drawn during the 1914 Simla Convention between British India and Tibet. China does not recognize this line, as it did not accept the terms of the convention, believing Tibet had no authority to enter into treaties. Historical context. The roots of the dispute lie in the differing interpretations of the historical boundaries and the legacy of British colonial-era agreements. After India's independence and the establishment of the People's Republic of China, this unresolved border issue became a significant point of contention. Military clashes. The border dispute has led to several military conflicts and standoffs, including the 1962 Sino-Indian War, primarily fought over Aksai Chin and Arunachal Pradesh, resulted in a defeat for India. The 1967 Nathu La and Cho Lane clashes in Sikkim. The 2017 Doklam standoff. The 2020 Galwan Valley clash, which was the first fatal confrontation in decades. The 2022 Yangtze clash in Arunachal Pradesh. Line of Actual Control, LAC. The LAC serves as the de facto border between the two countries. However, there is no mutually agreed upon demarcation of the entire LAC, leading to differing perceptions of where the border lies and frequent border incursions. Beyond the border issue, other factors contribute to the complex relationship. Geopolitical competition. Both countries are major powers in Asia, leading to rivalry in terms of regional influence, infrastructure projects, and alliances. Tibet. India's hosting of the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan government in exile is a point of friction with China. Trade imbalance. The significant trade deficit that India has with China is also a concern. In summary, the primary cause of conflict is the unresolved territorial dispute along their extensive border, complicated by historical legacies and geopolitical factors. Despite ongoing diplomatic talks, a mutually agreed-upon border remains elusive.